Hello everyone, I am Lalit Sharma from the Venkateshwar School, Gurugram. Today we will discuss an important topic of class 8 science, it is friction. Students, what is friction? In winter days you must have observed that when you rub your hands you feel warm. Have you ever noticed that why you feel some heat when you rub your hands? Because it is due to the friction force. It is due to the force that acts when there is relative motion between your surface of your hands. So let's start. What is friction? It is a force that opposes motion of an object. If you are having a ball and you roll it on the floor, then ball will stop after covering a distance. This is due to friction. And if you are having a block and it is placed on a floor, if you apply force on this block in this direction, in right direction, that is P is known as applied force, and the force that will oppose its motion is known as frictional force, and it acts in the opposite direction. So this is the case of friction. It acts between the two surfaces. Cause of friction is due to the irregularities on the surface. When two surfaces are in contact with each other, the surfaces are having irregularities, and when we just try to move them, the irregularities gets interlocked like this. This is surface 1, this is surface 2, and the irregularities between the surfaces gets interlocked, due to which they opposes the motion. Now frictional force is of three types: static friction, sliding friction, and rolling friction. Students, static means rest. When two objects are in touch with each other and they are not moving, then the frictional force acting between them is known as static friction. Like this block is placed on it, then in this case the frictional force is known as static friction. And if this block is sliding over the surface of the floor, then the force that comes into play is known as sliding friction. And if a ball, you can say, if a ball is there and the ball is rolling on the floor, then the force that retards the motion of ball is due to rolling friction. So these are the three types of frictions. And if we talk about strength order, then static friction is the maximum force and rolling friction is the least force in these three cases. So rolling is less than sliding and sliding is less than static friction. So in next class we will discuss how we can reduce friction